Alright, let's create a fresh Node app. I'm in VS Code and let's open the terminal and enter the code NPM Init. In case you don't know, NPM is a Node package manager, by which we can install third-party modules for our app. What NPM Init does is that, it just initializes a new project and creates the package.json file. Before that, we have to enter the package name, leave the version as it is, a little description for our app and leave everything else as it is. Now, we got the package.json file for our app, which holds the basic info about our app. Now, let's go and install Express using the Express documentation. Let's run this line of installation code in the terminal. We have successfully installed Express in our app. Besides, we have a packagelock.json file, which has the basic dependencies record and a node_modules folder which contains all the necessary packages to run a Node app. If we look at the package.json file now, we could find a new dependencies object that has Express in it. This tells us that we have currently installed a single third-party NPM package called Express in our app. Okay, now, let's create a new file named index.js, and copy-paste the basic Hello World code from the Express documentation. We have already broken down this code in the last video and we are just going to check whether this app is running or not now. I'm going to change the port here, from 3000 to 8000 and run the app using the command node space index. It is printing the log statement in the console from here. Let's check whether our app is actually running on 8000. Yes, it is working. Using the res.send method we have sent a simple text in the home root. Now, let's create a new root and try adding some different text. It is saying that, can't get the new root. Don't worry, we just have to rerun the app using the node index command. Stop the app by pressing Ctrl+C and enter the command again. Now we can see the sent text. But, we cannot perform this rerunning operation every time we make a change in our app, right? There is actually a helper for this. Nodemon is a NPM package which automatically restarts the app whenever we make a change. Let's try it. First, we have to install it and after that, we are going to run the app using Nodemon space index instead of node. Our app is now up and running. Let's try adding some new lines. The moment I saved the file, the app restarted itself using Nodemon saying, restarting due to changes. Besides, we can actually restart our app manually using the rs command while the app is still running. We got our app, acting live to our code now, using Nodemon. You can try some different stuff based on this. But, in the next video, let's work on some different things in our app. So, see you on the next video.